In chapter real numbers, we completed Euclid division lemma statement, exercise 1.1 first problem and second problem. See now third problem. So what is the third problem? Use Euclid's division lemma to prove that the square of any positive integer is of the form either 3p or 3p plus 1. See, we know the squares of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are positive numbers and their squares 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25 are the square numbers. Now these square numbers are can represent either any one of the form, either 3p or 3p plus 1. See, for example, 1. I want to represent 1 either in 3p or 3p plus 1. See, put p equal to 0. Put p equal to 0 in 3p plus 1. 3 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So we can represent 1 in the 3p plus 1 form. Put p equal to 1 in 3p plus 1. 3 into 1, 1. 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So we can represent 4 as 3p plus 1. Next, see 9. How to represent 9? Put p equal to 3 in 3p, not in 3p plus 1, but in 3p, because 3 into 3, 9. So 3 into 3, 9. Next, so you put p equal to, here we want to represent 16. So p equal to 5, 3 into 5, 15, 15 plus 1, 16. Means we can represent the numbers, square numbers in the form of either 3p or 3p plus 1. Now this is we can check by individual, but we have to prove this by theoretically, means by using Euclid division lemma or algorithm we can prove this. See, Euclid division algorithm. By Euclid division algorithm, see a equal to bq plus r, where r values 0 less than or equal to r less than b, equation 1. Now put b equal to 3. I am taking here b equal to 3. Put b equal to 3 in equation 1. So a equal to, then we have a equal to 3q plus r, and here again the condition 0 less than or equal to r less than 3, b value 3. So r values either 0, 1, 2. 0 less than or equal to r less than 3 means the r values are 0, 1, 2. We have to check the condition, each and every condition means at r equal to 0, r equal to 1 and r equal to 2. One by one we have to check. First at r equal to 0. First at r equal to 0, write here a equal to 3q plus r, r value 0, then this becomes 3q. Now here the square, we need the square value, so a square equal to 3q whole square, 3q whole square value, 3 square value 9q square. So I want to write the 9 as 3 into 3q square. 9 value 3 into 3, 3 into 3q square. So it is equal to, I am taking 3q square as p, where p equal to 3q square. 3q square value p. So this is 3p. Means if a equal to 3q, then its square, a square value, you can represent in the form of 3p. Now see r equal to 1. At r equal to 1, a equal to 3q plus 1. Now a square equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. We have to expand this into either a plus b whole square form. A value 3q, b value 1. Now a square equal to 3a square, 3q whole square plus 2ab, b value 1 plus b square means 1 square. Now 3q whole square value, 3 square value 9, q square plus 2 into 1, 2. Put 3q as it is. Don't change 3q term as it is. 1 square value 1. Now from first two terms, take 3 common. Here 3 into 3, first term 3, second term this 3 common. Here the first term remaining 3, 3q square plus here 3 common, 2q, and the last term 1 as it is. Now it is in the form of 3p plus 1, where p equal to 3q square plus 2q. Now it is in the form of 3p plus 1. Next, at r equal to 2, a equal to 3q plus here 3q plus r value 2, Now again we have to do square. A square equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Again it is in the form of a plus b whole square. We have to expand this into a plus b whole square form. A value 3q, b value 2. 3q whole square, a square plus 2ab, 2 into 3q into b, b value 2 plus b square, 2 square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now 3 square value 9q square plus, put 3q as it is, multiply 2 into 2, 4 into 3q plus 2 square value 4. Now 9q square as it is, 4 into 3q as it is. Now I am writing 4 as 3 plus 1, because here we have to represent it in the form of 3 plus 1. We need the 1 value, and we can make easy to write in the 3p form. See, first term, second term, third term. From 3 terms, take 3 common. 3 common, here in first term 3q square, because from 9 1 3 common. Here 3 common, 4q plus 3 common 1 plus 1. So it is equal to 3p plus 1, where p equal to, I am considering complete the term, 3q square plus 4q plus 1 as a p. So it is in the form of 3p plus 1. Here all the steps, the last step must be in the form of 3p plus 1. So you have to convert this into 3p plus 1 form. Here also I am converting into 3p plus 1. So here consider the terms, the bracket terms is in the form of p. So 3p plus 1, 3p plus 1, 3p means the square of any positive integer in the form of either 3p or 3p plus 1. Third problem completed. Now fourth problem. The fourth problem similar to third problem. Fourth question, use Euclid division lemma to prove that the cube of any positive integer is of the form. Third problem related to square. Fourth problem related to cube. Is in the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. See the cube numbers. The cube numbers are 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64. Means these numbers, the cube numbers, you can represent either in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So see, let a be any positive integer, then the positive integer we can represent in the form of 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Now you can represent the positive integers in this form. Then their cubes of these positive integers, we have to prove that they are in the form either 9m or 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. These are the positive integers, and the cubes of these positive integers is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. See, we can check one by one. We have to discuss the 3 cases, 3q, 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. Now case 1, the first case is a equal to 3q. So cubing on both sides, a cube equal to 3q whole cube. Cube separate for 3 and cube, 3 cube value, 3 into 3 into 3, 27 q cube. Now 27, we have to write the 27 as, we can write 9 into 3, Why I am writing 9 into 3? Because I want to represent in the 9 into m form. So consider 3 cube as m. So 9m where m equal to 3 cube. So A is 3 cube, then its cube is of the form 9m. Case 1 completed. Now case 2 is 3 cube plus 1. Case 2, A equal to 3 cube plus 1. Next, cubing on both sides, A cube equal to 3 cube plus 1 whole cube. So what is A plus B whole cube formula? Now see, A plus B whole cube formula, A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. So this is A plus B whole cube. We have to expand 3 cube plus 1 whole cube in the form of A plus B whole cube formula by using A value 3 cube, B value 1. A cube 3 cube whole cube plus 3A square 3 cube whole square into B value 1 plus 3A 3 cube into B square 1 square plus B cube 1 cube. 3 cube whole cube, 3 cube value 27 cube plus 3 into 3 cube whole square, 3 square value 9 cube square plus 3 into 3 9 cube into 1 means same 9 cube plus 1 cube value 1. So take 9 common because we have to represent in the 9m form. So take 9 common from first 3 terms. From 27 I am taking 9 common. Here the remaining is 3 cube plus here 9 common 3 q square plus here 9 common q plus 1. So it is in the form of 9m plus 1 where m equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus cube. The bracket value I am considering it as m. So it is in the form of 9m plus 1 means A equal to 3q plus 1. Then its cube is of the form 9m plus 1. Now last case, case 3, the same as case 2 model. A equal to, I am considering A equal to 3q plus 2. Same, cubing on both sides, A cube equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. Again, I want to expand A plus B whole cube form. So A value 3q, B value 2, A plus B whole square form. We have to expand 3q whole cube plus 3 into A square. A square means 3q whole square into B plus 3A into B square means 2 square plus B cube means 2 cube. Now again same 3q whole cube value 27q cube plus 3 into multiply 3 into 2 6 3q whole square value 9q square plus 3 into 3 9q 2 square value 4 plus 2 cube value 8. Same, put 8 as it is. Now first 3 terms take 9 common because we want to represent 9m plus 8 form. So take 9 common from 27 9 common here 3q cube plus 9 common 6q square plus 9 common 4 into q 4q plus 8. So it is in the form of 9m plus 8 where m equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. Means if A is of the form either 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2, their cubes is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8.